Today's subject, it's all about the planning. Hi, I'm Jeff Banks, the founder of Banks Consultancy, Not Your Ordinary Accountants, and these are our tidbits of the day. And today's subject, it's all about the planning. Back on the 5th of March, I talked to you about getting the strategy right with investing in property. Again, I want to reiterate that it should never be about one particular part of the transaction. It should be about the whole transaction and the profit, the money that it's going to put in your pocket at the end of the day, which will govern whether you buy or sell a property. Now, along the way, we get to look at things like negative gearing. We get to look at the capital gains tax potentially that's going to be dealt with. We get to look at retirement. All three of those need to be part of what you think about when you get to invest in property or any investment. Now, like I've said before, I'm not an investment planner. I'm not a financial planner. You need to go and deal with your financial planner on that. But when it comes to setting up the structure, when it comes to getting the taxation right on those particular types of transactions, that's what we're here for. I'm Jeff Banks from Banks Consultancy. I have a team of trained consultants who are here to help. All you need to do is call us. We're here 8 to 4, Monday to Friday. Contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you. I'm Jeff Banks from Banks Consultancy, and we are Not Your Ordinary Accountants.